Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a Toyota Prius Plus, 69 reg, hybrid, obviously petrol, very clean car, parking sensors, reversing camera, 7 seats, alley wheels, half leather seats, side airbags. So you have a pocket here. You also have a pocket here, which is quite handy. Locking wheel nuts are here, so never lose your locking wheel nut keys. They are very important. Drinks holders here. One touch windows to drop down. There's blinds in the rear as well. Auto windows again, one touch windows in the rear. You can see the rear seats there. These fold down as well, obviously. This has your luggage compartment cover. Storage there, which goes into this hole here. And as I say, these seats will fold down if you don't want them up. They do lean back actually, you can recline them back, so fairway. So you're not completely upright, so you can put that up a bit and have your more luggage in there if you wanted. This is your reversing camera. And the vehicle. One touch windows, I say, all 4 windows, another blind on this side. Keyless, so you touch this, these little marks here, it locks the car. When you grab it, it unlocks it. 4 electric windows, as you can see. Electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors here. Self-parking. Lane departure, auto headlights. Into the vehicle. You can see the mileage there. 57,873. But that's why it's this price. That's why it's a good price. If it was low mileage, obviously, or lower mileage, it would be more money. Pocket here, you can store stuff. I'll show you this down here. There's heated seats and USB auxiliary and power. Foot on the brake. That's how you start the vehicle. Climate control. Just turns it off. This does your reversing camera. Into park. CD player, got a radio, navigation. So you have your navigation, you have the radio, you've got to get a CD player here, park, cruise control, speed limiter, this button here controls this menu up here. You get different, whatever you want really up there. I like the clock, but that's just me. Different EV buttons here. To turn the vehicle on, actually you put this, where's it set up? Sorry, here, and you've got this menu here, so it gives you all your different options of how you want the vehicle set up basically. Phone, no, I don't want to connect it on there. Turn it off, push that button there. Auto lights, It also has auto wipers. Vehicle's off, so now I'm safe to exit. Any questions, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.